Good morning, everybody. I am Jenny. This is going to be my first time doing a keto fast day today. I want to do a 5-day fast if I can. I did a 3-day fast a couple weeks ago. I didn't really record much. Or maybe I did a 5-day fast. I don't recall. Anyway, I have started out this morning by getting my baselines for everything except my glucose. I have no idea what that is. So I watched a lot of videos from Dr. Boz and 2 fit doctors, and basically what I've learned for fasting is that I can take MCT oil and I can take butter without it affecting my glucose, except by maybe like 0.2 or 3. So it will let me stay in ketosis. The reason I'm doing this is because I've been cheating a lot. I've been eating carbs and with my protein and my fats, and I think that I have an insulin issue because I seem to be very sensitive to it. Not that it's like a medical issue or anything, but I'm definitely sensitive to sugars, and so I need to be more careful than I have been. So basically, here's my stats for day 1 starting. I will start fasting at 8 p.m. So even though I'll be working, I have to make sure that I have my dinner before probably 6 p.m. And then by 8 p.m. I will be completely fasting. But I do have good news. I can drink coffee, and I can have coffee. I can have bulletproof coffee, and I can also have heavy cream in my coffee as long as it's 1 tablespoon per 16 ounces, 1 cup in the morning, or 1 16-ounce cup in the morning. That is 1 cup. And if you didn't know, 16 ounces is 1 cup, just so you know. Okay. Dumb. Anyway, so here are my stats for this morning. I've put on 9 pounds. So this morning, with all my clothes on, I only took off my slippers. So I was wearing 2 pairs of leggings. I'm wearing 2 tank tops and a t-shirt and my sweater. And I weighed in at 219.4. And I'm only 5'6". So that puts my BMI in the obese range. And I'm definitely tired of it. I want to get down. My urine ketones were negative this morning, which was a little upsetting. I did eat carbs yesterday around 4:30, but I haven't had any carbs since then. Only protein and my espresso protein shake. I'm going to have to check that for carbs. I'll do that before the video's over. Anyway, so this morning so far, I've had 2 of my espresso protein shakes with a scoop of keto base, and I've had 2 her shred thermogenic weight loss pills for breakfast. I did order MCT oil pills on Amazon because I cannot drink MCT oil. I can't do it. I cannot drink oil. So I ordered the soft gels, and it was $25. So those should be here by tomorrow. I just got an alert from Alexa. Anyway, and so tonight I will start my intermittent fasting. This is what I'm doing. I'm doing intermittent fasting for the next 5 days, I think is what I said. Let me write this down. I'm being silly because I have terrible brain fog and I can't recall what I said I was going to do. Yep, I have a package coming today from Amazon. This is embarrassing. Oh no, hey, it's my new phone case. Okay, let's get rid of that. Let me write down intermittent fasting for 5 days. So I'm keeping notes in my bullet journal so I can keep track of how I'm feeling, what I'm not eating, what I'm drinking. So I should only be drinking black coffee or water, or I hear kombucha tea is good, but when you buy it from the store, it's full of sugar to make it sweeter so it's not so acidic. And that's complete opposite of what the whole idea of ketosis is. But let me check my... Okay, see, there's my problem. I'm not ordering this anymore. This is really upsetting, actually. My Click espresso protein coffee drink that I have 2 or 3 of every single day, I'm really upset. I should have read the nutrients before I assumed it was good. It has 6 grams of sugar and 11 grams of carbs. I'm only allowed max 21 grams of carbs a day. So no wonder I'm not in ketosis. My other one, which is, I don't think it's the same. I mean, it's the same brand, but it has a different labels. I think this one's just coffee. I don't think this one's actually... It says double shot espresso coffee. Maybe it's just a bigger container. Let's see if the nutrients are the same. No, they're not. This one only has 7 grams of carbs and 1 gram of sugar. So as long as I'm not fasting, I can have one of these in my little shaker, because it's 2 scoops, and my little shaker is right here. How many ounces is this one? This is 16 ounces. And so I normally fill it up to like 10 ounces of water and then put in 2 scoops of my Click coffee protein. Now my dishwasher won't close. Okay, so I'm really sad I can't drink this one. My mocha double shot espresso. No more drinking this one, so I need to find somebody to give this to. But I can have one of the other one. It has 5 less grams of carbs and less sugar. I do take my keto base, 1 scoop in the morning with one of my espresso shakes. So this is supposed to put you into ketosis. It's the BHB ketone supplements. So you're supposed to use it when you've been fasting in the morning or before exercise or after eating carbs and between meals, which is ridiculous. I'm not taking it that much. It says 1 scoop with 8 to 10 ounces of water. So I just mix it in my protein shake. But this has no carbs, no protein, no fat, 20 calories. There's no sugar, and it's BHB 11,380 milligrams. But just a heads up, if you have a sensitive stomach like I do, this can cause problems with number 2. So be careful. Make sure you don't stray too far from a restroom. I also started taking this morning Shred Her. Let's see if we can get it to focus here. It is a vegetarian capsule with vitamin B6 and pantothenic acid. And it has a bunch of stuff in it, like green tea extract, taurine, caffeine, bunch of stuff, raspberry ketones, green coffee bean extract. Anyway, Let me see. So basically this is just for energy. And it says it increases fat loss and it's an appetite suppressant. We'll see. Anyway, so I started that this morning. I will take that tomorrow morning along with my 1 scoop of my keto base and my other coffee. I will be making my own butter today. I'm pretty sure I've got my organic cream in the fridge. Anyway, so I'll use that, and then I will just have for dinner, I will eat 2 of my sweet Italian sausages with some homemade butter. And I know that that sounds disgusting because it's fat on fat, but to be in ketosis, your body needs the fat, and you need something to cue your body into burning its own fat. And if you're consuming fat, healthy fat, like from butter, you can change your metabolism into burning your own fat. I've already lost, well, I had lost 95 pounds. I've gained a few pounds back, which is why I'm doing this intermittent fast. Try to get myself back into a good keto routine. So I will be touching base daily, talking about my energy levels, how things are going. I do work for myself. I work at lunchtime, and then I take a break, usually take a nap, and then I work like dinner to about 9:30, 10 o'clock at night. So I will be touching base, letting you know how my energy levels are, how I'm feeling, because I'm not in ketosis right now. If I experience keto flu, which I hope I won't. I didn't a year ago in May when I started my keto diet. But the big thing for me was to keep up with my salt. If I did not consume enough salt, I really felt terrible. So we switched to pink Himalayan salt. And I literally put that on whatever I eat. Like the regular iodized white salt doesn't help me, and it tastes disgusting. The pink Himalayan salt has a much more mild taste, a lot more minerals, and it's much healthier for you. Plus, you don't need as much. But I do put it on my food, especially if I'm eating chicken, because chicken is not very fatty. And so I definitely need the salt and the extra minerals that I will be missing by not getting the fat from the white meat of the chicken. Anyway, I'm going to wrap this up. It's been a little bit longer than I expected. I just wanted to let everybody know that I'm starting keto full bore with a 5-day fast, and I will be staying in touch. All right. Rejoice in the day God gave you, and be blessed.